Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss about one cue card. Its name is Describe an occasion when you spend time with a young child. Its cues are: who was the child, when and where did you spend time, what you did together, how was your experience. Well, I really like kids and spend a lot of quality time with children whenever I get an opportunity. Here today would like to talk about a time when I utilized enough time with an orphan child on Mole. I remember it was around a year before when I visited to main bazaar for grocery shopping. Suddenly one child came to me and started begging for food. He was hardly 7-8 year old. Moreover, it was too hot day and he was without footwear. Firstly, I bought slippers from nearby shoe shop and then I asked him favorite food. He wanted to have pizza. Afterwards, we both went to Domino's and ate pizza together. During our meal, I talked a lot with him. While eating pizza, he was the happiest child on the earth as he was eating after so long. Also, I came to know that he slept on road since he lost his parents in accident. I could not control my tears after seeing him in poor condition and hugged him tightly. Moving ahead, I offered him some money and he denied to take. Then I took a decision to provide him shelter and education. I took him to orphanage to provide him home and gave some money to them for his school admission. I also purchased some new clothes for him. Beside this, that child was also over the moon. We spent around 3 hours together on that day. Soon we become good friends. Now I go to orphanage in my leisure time to play with him. All in all, it was really a good experience to spend time with him and helped him every possible way. So that was the time when I spent some good time with an orphan child. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.